In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your vehicle speed sensor on your Ford Taurus. It's located behind your engine on top of your transmission. Using an 8mm socket or wrench, you're going to disconnect your negative battery terminal. Loosen it, and then put it off to the side. Make sure it's not touching any metal. Okay, using an 8mm socket, you are going to loosen up this bolt. This is going to take off the cover, a little protective cover, and the bolt for the sensor. Take off that bolt, and take off your cover, and set that aside. Okay, so at this point, you don't want to do it really blindly, so you might want to use a mirror so you can see what you're doing. But you're going to take your one hand and hold it with the other with the mirror, and you're going to twist a little bit. There's an O-ring in there, and you just want to loosen that up. Go back and forth a few times, and then you're going to try to take it out. I'm going to use a little flathead screwdriver. Try to slowly take it out. Okay, so once you get that out, you can place it off to the side. At this point, I'm going to put a paper towel in the hole so no debris falls into it when I try to disconnect the connectors from above. All right, so now I'm just going to make sure I have something in that hole so nothing goes in it. Now I'm going to go above and I'm going to disconnect my connector. You can maybe reach the connector from underneath, but you can also reach it from up above. So depending on your preference, do what you think. I'm going to do it from above. All right, so now I'm going to reach down and I'm going to pry this off. So at this point, my push-on thing seems a bit frozen. It's not really moving at all. So I'm going to take this wire out. All right, if you find that your tab thing here to hold your wire still is stuck on your transmission, rather than struggle and try to pry it off, just take the wire out of the new part and place it in the old hold down. That's what I'm going to do. If yours comes right up, great. Then you can use the new one. So now I'm going to use a trim tool, and I'm going to pop this out. And disconnect the connector. All right, so I have moved the connector closer to me so I can easily disconnect it and connect it. And then you can just pull it out. All right, so I'm going to take this little cap off because this is just protecting the connector. I'm going to reconnect over here. Just be careful with the new sensor. You don't want to damage it, so be gentle. So push it in till you hear that click. Now I'm going to feed my sensor close to that paper towel. At this point, I am going to snap my wire into that hold down. All right, so I'm going to put this in the hold down, like so. I'm going to fasten my connector into this bracket by pushing it in. It's got a couple of plastic grommets. And now we're going to go back underneath and put the sensor in the hole. All right, you're going to want to lubricate your O-ring for easy installation. Like that. And now we're ready to install. Okay, so now I'm going to take out our paper towel. Our sensor already has lubricant on the O-ring. And now we are going to install. Again, this would be a good time to get your mirror out if you need it, to see where you're going. Or you can go by feel. I'm going to push in, and twist a little. Have that O-ring seat properly. That feels good. And now we're going to try putting our cover on and then the bolt. So to get the cover on, you have to put it over the wire. Line up your bolt with the bracket underneath into the transmission. All right, so I've checked it out with my mirror, making sure everything's lined up and my wire is fed through the slot. And now we are going to find the hole and start threading the bolt through. Once you hand tighten this down, you're going to be torquing it to 8 foot-pounds or 96 inch-pounds. There we go. You're going to take your negative battery terminal and put it on. Push it down and use an 8mm socket. And tighten it wrist tight. Make sure it's not moving. After you've installed your sensor, start the vehicle up, take it for a test drive, make sure everything's working properly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.